Howdy folks, Jeff here. I just want to show you what's going on in this shop. You know, we always recommend that you go to a certified shop that uses certified techs. We're working on these brakes, and let me give you an example of why. As you can see right here, we've got the wheel off. This is the caliper and this is the rotor. And you can see right here that they got into the metal, and so this chewed this all up. So why did that happen? So if we look right here, and we're gonna pry these off, you can see this metal tab right here. And so it was actually hanging on the bracket because this is installed backwards. So if we pull this off, and we look right here, and we can see on the pistons right here, they actually have holes in them. And if we turn that sideways, you can see that this actually broke those. So why did that happen? Well, on the inside pad, these have tabs here, and you can see that chewed into it. On the inside, you see it has little metal tabs right there. So this is actually an outside, this is actually an inside. That way there's no metal tabs to hit on these, and on the outside you can see the difference right there, as then it doesn't catch on this bracket. So that's what's going on in the shop today. We got to correct this problem and replace quite a few parts. As always, I appreciate you watching.